Okay. Good morning, ma'am. 4.2 statement. The policy statement in the core of the policy document. It is the policy statement that provides the direction, requirements, or order for the minimal security controls for information system behavior of people. Therefore, it is important to state the policy statement is the clear and concise language. Ang policy statement muna ang core sa policy document. Sila ang naghahatag og direction, requirements o order kung unsaon pag-manage o pag-secure sa information system ug sa behavior sa mga tao nga mogamit ani. Next, Jill. Policy statement. Example, use statement. Computer, tempering authorized access. Access, interception, modification or destruction of any computer system, PCME, information system, computer program, or data should be prohibited. Ang kaning akong nga statement nagaisgot sa process sa pag-manage sa user account sa system ECME information system. Bisan kinsa ang gusto magpa-create, modify or enable og account sa system, kinahanglan na ay document approval gikan sa authorized staff. Account statement. Account approval, the department should require documented approve the authorized staff of requirements to create, modify, and enable information system account. Next, Jill. The create policy statement that are clear and concise. Consider the following element of their policy statement. Next is subject. This is the who of the policy statement. Indirect the behavior of a person or rule. In general, it is better to identify the rule instead of the person by name in the policy statement. As people move in out of rule and would therefore require more require policy date. Ang topic mo ni ang tao o role nga gi-address sa policy statement. Term should in well information security policies are a collection of requirements for the organizational rules and information system policy statement as the embodiment of statement. These requirements need to use mandatory terms. Mo ni ang mandatory dapat gyud buhaton walay lusot. Should. This term is used to indicate the requirements, meaning that is most statement that use the term should. And next na, Angel. Silaw eh. Will term is used to indicate statement of fact or that will be true in the future. Statement that use their terms will not be verbal in the contract as they are simple
Explain na lang
statement of
dito.
fact. By
Explain na lang dito.
Anap kay Dre, silo kay nakuskuspan. Dala nga. Dala ba? Kining will this term use indicate kay kuan. Dala nga. Dili siya requirements sa tao. And should respect should natin ibugwa na arrange then jud lah tay tani ron kining should employee should extend cyber security awareness training every year. Kining avoid the terms most nga